It's a thrilling time, full of possibilities. But amidst the excitement, a million questions pop up. Like, how do you manage your finances? Every successful business needs a solid banking system. And that's where you might have stumbled upon Relay. They offer sleek online banking solutions specifically designed for small businesses. But here's the thing, is Relay actually a bank? Let's dive deep and unpack the world of Relay, FDIC insurance, and everything in between. Forget bricks and mortar, welcome to fintech. First things first, Relay isn't your traditional bank with physical branches and tellers. It's a fintech company, short for financial technology. They leverage the power of technology to offer innovative financial services specifically tailored to small businesses. Think of it this way, Relay builds the user-friendly platform, the slick app, and the smooth online experience. But behind the scenes, they partner with an actual bank to handle the nitty-gritty of money storage and transactions. Enter Thread Bank, the reliable partner. This partner bank for Relay is Thread Bank, a legit U.S. bank with FDIC insurance. That's the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, a U.S. government agency that insures deposits up to a certain limit in case the bank fails. So, your money with Relay is actually held securely by Thread Bank, which means it's protected by FDIC insurance. That's a crucial safety net, especially for small businesses where every penny counts. Now the big question, is Relay a U.S. bank? Technically, no. Relay itself isn't a federally insured bank. But here's the key takeaway, your money with Relay is held by Thread Bank, a U.S. bank with FDIC insurance. So, even though you interact with Relay's platform, your funds benefit from the security of a traditional U.S. banking system. Think of it as a powerful duo. Imagine Relay as the tech-savvy entrepreneur with a brilliant business plan. Thread Bank acts as the established financial institution with the resources and security to make it happen. Together, they provide a comprehensive banking solution for your small business. Beyond the basics, what makes Relay special? Now that we've addressed the whole U.S. bank question, let's explore what makes Relay stand out. Their platform is designed with small businesses in mind. It's user-friendly, allows for easy management of multiple accounts, and integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software. Plus, they offer features like automated bill payments and real-time transaction tracking, giving you complete control over your finances. Here's the catch, there's always one. While Relay offers a fantastic suite of tools, it's not perfect for everyone. Since it's primarily online, there are no physical branches for those who prefer face-to-face banking. Additionally, some users might find the features, while robust, to be less extensive compared to traditional banks. So, is Relay right for you? Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific needs. If you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur who values a user-friendly online platform with features designed for small businesses, then Relay could be a great fit. However, if you prioritize the security of a physical branch or require a wider range of traditional banking services, a larger established bank might be a better option. Do your research, make an informed choice. The key is to do your research and compare different options before making a decision. There are many great banking solutions available for small businesses, and Relay is just one player in the field. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.